How to fix black bars on stretch resolution Apex. So, some monitors might display black bars at the top and bottom of the screen with stretch resolution using the above instructions for Apex Legends. So, there are gonna be steps to remove these pesky black bars for a full screen stretch resolution. So what you're gonna have to do is to open the NVIDIA control panel on your PC. You can follow similar instructions for AMD graphic cards and by right-clicking the background of your desktop. Select Change Resolution under the Display setting and then select Customize. Then check the box mark Enable Resolutions Not Exposed by the Display. Then choose Create Custom Resolution. So again, at the display, then just to the change resolution, and then follow the other prompts. So input your desired resolution, and you can click to test to create your new custom resolution to see if it removes those black bars. Next, go to where your Apex Legend game files are located and find the videoconfig.txt file. Then right-click on the file to bring up properties and uncheck the box labeled Read Only. Open the videoconfig.txt file and change the setting.defaultRes and setting.defaultRes height parameters to your desired resolution. Save the file to then apply the changes. So it's gonna look a bit something like this. Then just right click on the videoconfig.txt file again, go to properties and recheck the box labeled read only. Now go to your Apex Legends game launcher, right click on Apex Legends of course, and select properties, enter this text in the launch options area, which is this over here. You can always pause the video to check it out or copy it more properly. But anyways, it's gonna look a bit something like this. Here you paste it in the launch options. Then just launch Apex Legends and wait at the screen that says click to continue. Before continuing to the main menu, press Alt plus Enter, which will take the game into a windowed mode. Then press Alt plus Enter again. You must repeat this step every time you launch the game though. Enter the game and Apex Legends should be running in stretch resolution without the black bars. But anyways, hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.